So in this video, you'll learn how to enable edge lighting on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first step is to navigate to your settings app, and then under settings, you want to scroll and select notifications. From notifications, you're going to choose notification pop-up style, and then you're going to look for edge lighting style. If you don't see it appearing in the list of options, then you need to ensure that you've switched from detailed notification pop-up style to brief. When you've switched to brief, then this feature should now appear. So you're going to go ahead and select it, and then you can now start customizing it. You'll have the preview, and then you'll have the effects, as well as any other advanced tools that you'll need for the customization. So start by choosing an effect to see how it would look like. If you don't like it, you can always choose to select another one. You'll also notice some effects allow you to change the color. So you can go ahead and either have the color be set to the device colors or the system colors, or you can choose your own custom color, and you can see how it looks like in the preview. You can also come to advanced, and you can choose to change the transparency as well as the duration. Again, this is just based off of which effect that you've chosen. So go ahead and choose the effects that you would prefer to use. And then once you've made your choice, you're going to tap on done to save and apply the changes. So now whenever you have any notifications appearing on your phone, you should see that edge lighting style appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.